What's up, guys? Now I'm gonna start with my hair treatment. My hair is really dry and just disheveled, so I'm gonna start using the Amla hair powder. It's by the Hesh brand, and then here I'm showing the spoon and the bowl that I'll be using. And also, I'll be adding some coconut milk. This is by the brand Grace Foods. Grace Foods. And then I'll be assisting myself with this brush to paint the product in. And here are some two clips that I'll clip my hair up or separate it with. Here's my purple towel, purple colored towel, and I wrap it around my shoulders and some gloves as well to help me in case I, s- I guess just to protect my hands when I'm applying the product. Alright, so I start with the Amla powder, open it, and then pour some into the bowl. I didn't want to measure anything, I just wanted to eyeball it. What is the quantity that I wanted to pour into the bowl? But I would say it's about maybe half an ounce or less. And then I pour some coconut milk. Pour some coconut milk and then start mixing, stirring and mixing. And there's some fumes, some dust that you might see evaporating into the air. Almost. Pour some more coconut milk. And stir, 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 stir. Round and round and round. Stir, stir, stir. Round and round and round. Stir, stir, stir. Round and round and round. Then I'm going to add some more coconut milk. And just keep stirring it. I just keep stirring it until I can see that the amla and the coconut milk have formed into a smooth paste. Okay, then I'm going to, I sectioned my hair at the bottom part, different from the top part. Now I'm going to take the brush and then start applying it to my hair. Applying the mixture of amla powder and coconut milk. Amla powder and coconut milk. And here goes the first stroke. Just passing it very delicately and gently on the hair. And starting from the top part. And just inching the towel closer to my neck so that I don't get any spillage onto my shirt top. And so now I noticed that my fingers were arriving closer to the end of my hair, and I didn't want the almond and coconut milk mixture to touch on my fingers, so I just put my gloves on. So now I'm gonna take another pass of the almond and coconut milk mixture and continue to apply it to my hair. Now I'm using my gloved fingers. See how the mixture is a little bit messy. I'm I'm using my gloved fingers to pass the mixture down from the top part of my hair to the ends of my hair. Okay, then I'm gonna twist it into the hair. Okay. Now I've sectioned one side of the hair from the other, and I'm applying more of the mixture to that section of the hair. Okay, now I'm gonna continue. Continue, continue, continue. And just wrap it into my hair. Okay, now I'm going to form a twist and twirl of my hair, somewhat of like a bantu knot at the back of my hair. And that's it for that side, that section of hair. So, yeah. Now I'm going to begin working on the next side. There are my gloves, gloved fingers. All right, stay tuned.